All right, y'all. Welcome back to another episode of Zach Mac Fishing. We're Alan Henry. Got a mixed bag on the weather. It's very windy. Turf him in. There's our number 3, folks, for the day. Oh, oh man, he got greedy. Look at that. There's a minnow, a live minnow in this boy's gullet. Look at that. See that? That's just funny. Well, when he said he was chumming them for me, he wasn't lying. Looks like it kind of worked, huh? I'm more than happy to get him. Here, man, I got another one. Let me just do this, okay? Here, I'll get out of your way. I'm sorry. There you go. Be careful going back. There we go. Wasn't a very big one, but we lit him up like he was big. All about the same size tonight. Hey, buddy. Here, I'll get you some, okay? Yeah. I know, you'd rather have the property, but I can't do that. Not exactly legal. And that eye. Wish I could do something for you on it. Biting, Pink's doing it. That one's been eaten. It's got a full gut, so you know, not terrible by any means. Good thought, right? I'm gonna try to hand it to you, okay? I don't want it to. Not get up there. So buddy. Shoot. Had him coming up out of the water. That wasn't very kind. That's a nice one. Real nice one. Well, if we were keeping them, that would be a keeper for real and for sure, folks. I believe. I'm not going to bother to measure, but I think it probably would be. Cheers. Let him go. I apologize for yanking you up out the matter. See what I mean? There you go. Come on, don't do that now. He's coming up fast. He's going to hurt himself. He brought himself up pretty fast. That was not me. But we'll hope. Seems like he's pretty... Okay, there we go. Good night. Alright, I think he's got a shot. That's bleeding from the mouth and not the gill. We need to get him back in.